yung isa ring insight na nakita namin online, especially today, nagiging viral rin siya, is yung Sierra Madre mountain range, right? So we're just gonna bring up the fourth social media insight we saw, yung may mga claims circulating online that Sierra Madre, one of the tallest ranges in the Philippines, actually helped dissipate the strength of Typhoon Pepito. And as a scientist, we wanted to get your insights on this. Totoo po ba na this is actually a phenomenon that happens?
So if we were to consider Sierra Madre as a quote-unquote barrier, no, the answer would be yes and no. So medyo complicated siya. So kasi pagka sinabi natin hazards from, di ba pag sinabi natin na pinoprotect tayo, so presumably we're being protected from hazards, right? Ang bagyo may dalawang hazard. So it's the wind and it's the rain. In fact, we can say na yung rain mas hazardous kasi yung flooding and so on, mas maraming damages because of that. But anyway, so naproprotektahan ba tayo from hangin at saka from ulan? Yung hangin, not so much. In fact, yung Sierra Madre is not tall enough to have significant influence or effect on the intensity of tropical cyclones. So we did a study last year wherein ganun din modeling. Ang ginawa namin is that we model all the tropical cyclones from 2000 to 2022. So that's around 40 tropical cyclones na dumaan ng Luzon. Right? So ginawa namin is that yung mga bagyong yon dumaan dun sa Luzon. And then the next experiment yung sa pag-model is that we flatten Sierra Madre and then pinadaan din ulit yung lahat ng bagyong yon. And there's actually not much difference. So kaya humihina kasi even if you have flat land, hihina ang bagyo kasi yung bagyo, it gets energy from the evaporating water from the ocean. So once it is on land, walang energy na nakukuha from the ocean kasi nasa land na eh. So tends to weaken. So kahit sa US halimbawa, ito yung mas nakikita to sa US kasi talaga flat land tapos 'di ba continent. So once it goes into say for example Texas or dito sa may bandang Alabama or so on, ano siya, mag-weaken talaga. So dito sa atin, yun nga, pag tinignan natin, no, so not much effect except for regions sa Cagayan Valley. So for Cagayan Valley, we see na pagka dumaan siya ron, there's yung slight na weakening, although not so much, no, slight weakening compared to when there's no Sierra Madre. So in that sense, for Cagayan Valley, to a point, pwede sabihin na yes, it's serving like a barrier. Pero kung halimbawa dito sa Central Luzon, it's really not. Yung yesterday kay Pepito, actually it's a combined effect of not only Sierra Madre, pero combined effect of, yes, Sierra Madre, the Caraballo Mountains, which are pretty high and rugged. Si Sierra Madre doon sa part na dinaanan ni Pepito yesterday, actually hindi siya ganun kataas. Pero si Caraballo mataas siya, and also the southern part of Cordillera. And doon sa study na ginawa namin, it's actually Cordillera na mas malaking effect sa weakening of tropical cyclones compared to Sierra Madre.